Discover the untapped potential of Facebook ads to maximize your business's return on investment, ROI. Begin your journey by understanding your target audience. Identify their likes, interests, and browsing behaviors to create tailored ads that resonate. Next, learn to craft compelling ad copies. Highlight your unique selling proposition in crisp, engaging language that induces action. Then, dive into the intricacies of ad placement. Strategize where your ads appear to increase visibility and engagement. Unravel the power of A/B testing. Enhance your ad performance by experimenting with different visuals, headlines, and call to actions. Finally, master the art of analyzing ad metrics. Translate numbers into actionable insights to tweak your ad campaigns. Join us in Mastering Facebook Ads, a step-by-step guide to ROI and turn your advertising spend into profitable investments.